it's just personal, it's super personal. Relationship you have with parents, relationship you have with other professionals, speech and language therapists, educational psychologists, physios, all of those relationships you have with people to benefit the child, and then seeing how that really grows outwards, it's phenomenal. I just absolutely love that it's all about the children in the middle. Your rewards would be the things like getting eye contact off a child that perhaps wouldn't give eye contact necessarily, or a child that might exchange communication in a way that they perhaps haven't, but because of relationship building and time and building I guess that respect and value amongst your relationship, then when you see those little gems come together, it's like the most amazing feeling, just knowing that you're making an impact on that child's life. Just the love that you feel within the team as well of an SRB. To be honest, that's what I love so much about ALN is the family, the community feel you feel within the school, within the staff that are there. It's a real togetherness for the children. I absolutely love that. That's what gives me purpose. That's what makes me wake up in the morning, is having those interactions and seeing those daily rewards that you do get with the children. Yes, it's challenging, but anything that's challenging isn't worth it unless there's a reward, and there's so much rewards that outweigh any of the challenges that come with ALN teaching. In terms of support, there's obviously lots of training, lots of it's all about relationships. If you've got good relationships with the other adults, that's where you're creating a safe place of nurture, of fun, of laughter, of happiness, all those real strong foundations that any child needs, let alone a child with additional learning needs. To see that these children are being included in education and being provided with a specialist provision, as opposed to perhaps coping in environments that they don't cope in so well and thrive in. So being able to be given an opportunity now where there are provisions with really special people and people with specialisms and great knowledge and experience, to be able to support those children with ALN, I think is really important, and it's nice to see that the growth is happening and Cardiff is pioneering that. For me, it's the opportunity in Cardiff. I think the fact that the council provide lots of training, in-house training and training with other specialist teachers or people who are professionals in their field, speech and language therapists, etc. For me, that's really quite inviting. It's just exciting really to see the opportunity that's to come. I don't know anyone that's fell in love with ALN who has ever gone and turned around and gone back to a job that they perhaps didn't, or teaching that they didn't. And I think that's because of the special people that we're working with, the special learners that we're working with, and the environment and staff that you work with. And like I said, just that whole community and family feel that you feel in a special provision is just so unique. It's not your traditional teaching, but my God, if you're passionate about children, you want to put children first, then ALN teaching is absolutely the way forward. I would say don't hesitate, just give it a go. What have you got to lose, right? So plenty of opportunity, plenty of growth, and it's just it's a unique job within teaching that once you get in, you probably won't turn around and look anywhere else really.